Okie doke. There it is, the new bracket. Lowered the gear, put some grease on it. That's with ball bearings and sloppy grease job. No stripe yet. But the sensor, which you know today, is going to, oops, not go on backwards. It's going to fit in here something like that. And I'm going to reach down in there. I'm going to probably have to put a notch in that bracket right there so I can slide down a little closer. But it's going to come in something like that. And it's just going to aim right at that gear, and that gear is going to have a stripe on it. And it's going to hear that stripe and click it off. It was a tough fight, Mom, but I got it. Only one cut. You can't see it too badly. Or stab myself with a screwdriver. I don't know. I have these really nice wide screwdrivers, and I seem to have put them somewhere safe. I can't find a damn thing. So I got to use these skinny ones. I end up killing myself with it. At any rate, so that gear is on. The puppet stuff is going. I've got the bracket for Leon's engine modified and getting printed. You know, I had to make it a little longer. Had to make it a little longer on one side to get the piece in right, but that's going to come together. It won't be tonight. It's already 5:30, so I'm a little late, but I have 3 engines updated to the new Fields, and they all run 3 volts. Will turn them, which is marvelous. None of them have traction tires, so. Oh, and I have traction tires. Somewhere around here I have traction tires, so we'll put traction tires on them, and I'm pretty excited. I'm hoping that's not too tall. I got plenty of room to cut it down if it is. As you can see, there's quite a bit of air headroom, you call it. We could pull it down if we had to. We could pull it down probably 5 millimeters easily. But then if this piece has to stick up, you got to watch out where that's sticking up. I guess I could mount it this way. Would that be weird? Have it sit here like this. Come off of something here. That's kind of strange, but you know, that would work. Kinda. It could work, you know. Maybe like that. Like that, I mean. Yeah, we'll figure it out. Not worried. We'll figure it out. Can do. And they're running smooth. I wasn't worried because I had used this magnet combination before. I knew the magnets would work well. It's just kind of exciting to finally get them there. Oh, and the other thing I didn't point out earlier was I've rounded the bottoms. So if you see this from the bottom of the engine, it'll just be a rounded boiler looking shape. Pretty cool. Anyway, I gotta go. So I've got 3 Fields and 2 brackets. One bracket's still printing, one bracket's up and running. That one doesn't need a bracket because he's got the gear, right? And he's got his own gear, so he didn't need that, but he needs this sensor holder. And the sensor holder, I had designed it last night and didn't print it. Then I couldn't find it. At any rate, it's printing now, so I'll have it first thing in the morning. Okay, gang. Later. Have a good one.